Normal battery versus silicon-carbon battery in smartphones. Today, we're diving into the next big thing in smartphone battery technology: silicon-carbon batteries. These powerhouses are redefining how much energy your phone can hold, how fast it can charge, and how long it can last. Let's find out what makes them different from normal lithium-ion batteries. The basics of smartphone batteries. Every smartphone runs on a rechargeable battery that stores energy chemically and releases it when you need power. These batteries balance three key aspects: energy storage, power output, and recharge cycles. The goal is always to make them smaller, lighter, and longer lasting. What is a normal battery? Most of today's smartphones use lithium-ion batteries. They rely on graphite as the anode material, offering a stable and safe balance between performance and cost. They have served us well for years, powering everything from phones to laptops and even electric cars. What is a silicon-carbon battery? Silicon-carbon batteries are an upgrade to the familiar lithium-ion design. Instead of using just graphite, they use a mix of silicon and carbon at the anode. This innovation dramatically increases how much energy the battery can store, without increasing its size. Key innovation: the silicon anode. Here is where things get exciting. Silicon can store almost 10 times more lithium ions than graphite. This means more energy can be packed into the same physical space. The result: batteries that are slimmer, charge faster, and last longer on a single charge. Size and energy density comparison. When we compare energy density, silicon-carbon batteries clearly win. They can hold 20 to 40% more energy per kilogram than standard lithium-ion cells. That's a big leap in battery capacity, without any visible change in smartphone thickness. Charging speed and heat management. These new batteries are also better at handling fast charging. Thanks to improved thermal management, they stay cooler and more efficient even when charging quickly, something gamers and power users will definitely appreciate. Durability and lifespan. Now, silicon expands and contracts more during charging, which could cause wear. But engineers solve this by coating the silicon with carbon, which adds strength and stability. This helps silicon-carbon batteries last nearly as long as regular lithium-ion cells, even under heavy use. Real-world use in smartphones. You'll already find this technology in new smartphone models from brands like Xiaomi and Honor. Their silicon-carbon batteries deliver longer battery life, slimmer phones, and lightning-fast charging speeds, showing us a glimpse of the next generation of mobile power. Pros and cons overview. Let's break it down. Normal batteries are cheaper and proven. Silicon-carbon batteries are more expensive right now, but they offer higher density, thinner designs, and faster charging. It's a trade-off between cost and performance, and the future is clearly leaning towards silicon-carbon. The future of smartphone power. As research continues, we'll see even better stability, faster charging, and smaller designs. In the near future, silicon-carbon batteries could become the standard, powering everything from premium smartphones to portable devices. Summary. So, there you have it. Silicon-carbon batteries are smarter, slimmer, and stronger than ever. They mark a new era in portable power technology. If you found this explainer helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into future tech.